Hey guys, here today with the Cloud Mall Tesla under the screen storage box. So they did such a good job of marketing this on Instagram. I'll show you the video here up in the corner, that I just had to buy it. It looks very sleek. It looks like it tucks perfectly underneath the front display, and it also looks like it doesn't shake or rattle when the car's in motion. So that's what I kind of want to check. One, I'm going to get it installed. And then two, we'll look how it functions. And then three, let's drive over some bumps and stuff and just see if there's any rattling involved with it. So again, this is the Cloud Mall TS004 under the screen storage box. I got it on Instagram. It comes in black and white, I believe. This one's black, and I will get it all installed, and we'll see you back here in a minute. So here's what comes in the box. Obviously the actual housing, just plastic housing. It's a very simple little button here. You just push that over and it clasps. It kind of locks back into position. Not sure what that's for yet. The little anti-slip pad that's going to go into the unit itself. There's some sponge gaskets that come with it as well, I would imagine, to stop any vibration. And then there's just an installation guide. So we'll go ahead and get all this together and put it in the car. Okay, so I think we're ready to put this in. I'm going to go ahead and push this, bring it underneath. There's no way this is going to fit. You can see we kind of had to adjust that a little bit. I'm going to open the door here to get us back behind here. Okay, so let me show you from behind here what this looks like. So you can see once you get it back here, you can kind of tuck this right up against it like that. And then we're gonna just simply close this over like that, and then I'll snap it down. So here's a look at the finished product. It's super low profile. It's got this little open label here on the front. You can just kind of push on it a little and it opens up. I've got my garage door opener there, and you can put anything else that fits, and then it just snaps right back up again. So really low profile, doesn't make any noise, no buzzing, no squeaking, no rattling so far. Decent sized speed bumps in the road. So yeah, I took it over a couple different tests, and none of them seemed to make any noise. I did like a torsional test where the left side of the vehicle went down first, and then the right side, kind of a bending motion, both into my garage, out of my garage. There's a dip down to the street. Nothing there, no noises there, as well as speed bumps. Went over several speed bumps, no noises. This thing totally checks out, and it's very cool and compact. I would recommend it.